This is 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee with EDC17C79 ECU. We are doing bench on this, and as you can see, we have identified the ECU. However, it is re-identified before start reading. Okay, we are reading the ECU now. We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd, or also known as supremedpfcleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. Specialize on DPFs, AGRs, AdBlue, NOx system, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, power loss. We are the masters for what we do. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel so for the further more educational videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.